Sweet. And then yeah. So yeah, we'll do a couple walk arounds here. There's another location on the back side of SFU. Okay. We'll probably do some rollers on the highway, like around the whole place. Sweet. And then if you're up to it, there's a couple locations down the hill near like the Costco area. Okay. Yeah. That are pretty cool too, like in like the forested area. Oh, perfect. It's pretty cool. How long have you had the car for? Bought it in 2019. Okay. So it's been a minute now. Yeah. It's been a long road to get it to how it is though. I don't blame you. So oh. I my engine also. Oh, okay, okay. But I was limited at 170, so. Oh, jeez. Okay. Yeah, I will say it takes a while to get that thing to 2. But no, I would not recommend it either. It's like everything's rattling. You think the whole thing's gonna just fall apart any moment. Yeah. It's sketchy. It burns oil like crazy though, but yeah, it's good. Other than that, it's great. Yeah, my old engine burned a lot of oil too. Like someone got in front of me today, so I just revved it to the moon as I was still going, and the plume of smoke behind me. I'm like, ooh, that's fun. That's great. Lovely. How long have you been shooting cars? Probably about, I want to say like 5 or 6 years now. I've been taking photos for like probably like 10, 11 years now, but professionally like this, like I do this full time now, and I would say I went full time last June, so almost a year coming up. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, it's pretty good. What were you shooting before cars? Just out landscapes, nature, stuff like that. I did a little bit of weddings. I don't like them, honestly. They're good. They're easy and quick money, but other than that, it's stress. Yeah, I can see that. Must be decently long. Yeah, especially since I was doing South Asian weddings, so those are like 3-4 days long. So, yeah, that was always entertaining. But no, I've done a bunch of them. I've done photo and video for them, and it's a mission. Are you able to pop your hood if possible? Sweet. Perfect. Do you have any time restraints for here or no? No. Okay, cool. Because I have a new drone that I have to do stuff. On your story. Yeah, so I brought that, so we'll see what we can do with that. Yeah, DJI, right? Yeah, it's the 360 one, so theoretically I could like through your car. Yeah, in a way, yeah. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Did they sponsor that? Yeah. Nice. So you've been in the cars basically since you grew up? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My uncle has always had like classic cars, like Mustangs. And so I've always been in the realm of like, okay, what's this thing on the car? What's this thing? And then just got in through. I've always been like artistic with photography and everything, so yeah, it's pretty good. Did you go to school at all? No, I'm all self-taught for this stuff. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah. That's the way to do it. Yeah, I also kind of knew already, like pretty much in high school, that I was like, I don't really want to go to school. I know what I'm gonna do already. So then it's like almost like, what's the point? And if I wanted to, I could take like a marketing course or stuff like that. Yeah. Or social media. Although I think I have social media okay. So were you basically taking some pictures in high school? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, like grade 8, grade 9. Learned how to edit by yourself also. Yep. Oh yeah. That's the most hellish part. 100%. So then when you're doing your videos, cars, like you just find random cars? I literally just drive around for hours. Sometimes I find nothing and I'm like, oh, well, that was a wasted day. No way. So it's a little harder with gas prices now, but no, it's fine. Yeah. But no, I try to aim for car shows the most part. Right. And then I'll go like an hour earlier so people are showing up still, and then I'll just like get them and then do whatever else I can. Nice. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Definitely. It's a fun thing to do. Yeah, no kidding. Are you able to put down the hood now? I like getting shots when they're putting down the car's hood. Try and get them in the shot as much. It's pretty cool.
I have a harness, but I need to buy the harness bar, so I need
Oh, okay.
Supposedly gas is supposed to go down this week.
A little bit, yeah. Hopefully.
Yeah, because I have 2 V8s and it's not on gas.
No, that is not easy on gas at all, no. Okay, cool. Are you able to put up all the doors? And then we'll do a couple shots with that. Alright guys, so today we're shooting on the Sony A7IV 24-70 from Sigma, and we're using a K&F CPL filter. And yeah, we got Devin here with his 370. No, that's fine, just like that, yeah. And not many cars that have this.
No, right? Probably because it takes so long to
I don't blame that.
Yeah.
Let's see what I can do with that.
I bought the kit like 2 years ago and just kept seeing YouTube videos saying don't do it, don't do it.
Don't do it.
I was like, fuck, I already bought it, so I might as well.
Fair, yeah. Let's see.
So on your head's like DJI's version of a GoPro?
Pretty much, yeah. And then I also have like an extra wide lens, so we can still see my feet from here and like the sky. So I can like shoot horizontal for YouTube videos, but also shoot vertical content at the same time with one file. So
Oh, so it's better than a GoPro.
a little bit, yeah. Yeah. I used to be shooting like all my like previous videos were on like a 360 camera from Insta360.
Yeah.
And it was really good because I was able to reframe everything. But it took forever to reframe, and then you have to export that.
Yeah.
So it was an extra hurdle before I could even get editing.
Right.
So even when I was ready to edit, I was like, I'm already drained from doing this stuff. This is like wasteful.
I know, I bought an Insta360. I didn't know if I'd like it, so I just bought the cheapest one. The editing process takes way too long.
It's good if you like editing, but if you don't, good luck.
Yeah.
Now, is it a wrap or is that actual the paint?
Yeah, it is a wrap.
Okay, okay.
I think it's been almost 5 years now.
Oh wow,
The
okay.
thing is, I need to either get it rewrapped or, I don't know, I just love the color so much.
Oh, it looks really good.
Right, so I'm thinking maybe paint it that color,
Okay.
but I'll have to clean up the whole body before I do that.
Right.
There's a guy in one of my scene groups that's trying to do an LS swap, and I have a bunch of extra parts, and he's a painter, so I'm like,
Oh, okay.
maybe I'll swap the parts for something.
Yeah.
What was your day job before you went full-time?
I used to work at a YVR, losing people's luggage as I like to call it. But I was like I was working for Air Canada, doing all that fun stuff of airport, pushing planes and everything like that.
Yeah, that's a bit of a trek, man.
Yeah.
Get to work.
Oh yeah, it's about like 40 minutes each way.
Yeah.
But I didn't mind it because I was working like not graveyards per se, but like I would start at 3 p.m. and go till 1:40 a.m. So
No traffic.
no traffic whatsoever, even through the tunnel, because I'd be going before.
That's what would fuck me.
Yes, 100%. Every day would just be terrible. But no, yeah, other than that, it was pretty good.
So do you find these spots on maps, basically?
Yeah, I was going Google Earth, Google Maps, and was like, all right, cool. What's this area look like? Oh, cool, that could be good. Or when I'm looking for cars, I'll literally just drive around and
Mostly
spot.
Vancouver, then?
I have places everywhere. Like if you look at my map, all those dots are locations.
Oh my god.
So it goes out even to Washington State and like everywhere.
That's insane.
Yeah, it's a little much. Mostly Vancouver area because there's so many spots there.
Mm-hmm.
And then like Burnaby, there's a bunch of up here. There's that one spot. There's there, and then the other spot would be down here in this area.
Okay.
Because you can get to, it's like a little treated area. So when it like, and then you can go way down there too.
That's dope.
So yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, I remember. I think the last time I was at SFU, it was when it was snowing.
Oh shit.
Like a year and a half ago or something.
When there's quite a bit of snow.
Yeah. One of my friends took his Golf R up here, and we were just like having fun. I can see the heat coming off in the shadows from the. I think it's your roof maybe,
Yeah.
or the engine
From
maybe.
the vents.
Yeah, you can just
Before
see.
I installed those, it would overheat all the time.
Oh, really?
And
Damn.
they fixed the whole problem.
Jeez, that's easy then.
You shot Will's car, right?
Uh,
Black RWB?
yes. Yeah.
So he basically built most of the car.
Oh, okay, sweet. Okay, cool. Yeah, I shot his car with Terrell. Okay, sweet. Let's go to the location on this side. I'll send you a pin for it. All right. So I guess just follow me then.
Yeah, I'll definitely.
Okay, sweet.